I'm Abbey.
And Emily Broderick.
And I'm Andy Basadecki.
And we are from H2O. First, we want to start out talking about our product design, give you a little insight on our label. We chose the green and blue, kind of represent earth tones. Our water's an all-natural spring water from the spring. And the bottle design is kind of a sleek, modern take on a water bottle. It's a 24-ounce bottle, so almost twice the normal bottle. Tall and skinny, a little bit square or cylinder-like. And we chose that kind of format for the bottle because we're marketing to like a more experimental class of people. So our main two personas are a higher working class, middle class kind of, such as a Starbucks customer, and a college kid as well. And the take on our water is that it's a healthy alternative to a cup of coffee. It is a caffeinated water, and so we have some facts about the coffee industry is an $18 billion market, and the water bottle is $15 million. So we're kind of pulling from both markets to get as much profit as we can. And as far as how many kids and college students and professionals, about 54% of American people drink coffee a year, so a little over half of adults is kind of our target market. And then we're launching, and our test market is in New York. We're going for like city, fast-paced life, business people, sold in places like coffee shops or Einstein's, breakfast places, subway stations, going to and from, and yeah, so places like New York, Chicago, fast-paced life.
Our main competitors, there are, since the caffeinated water brand, water style it's a booming market, it's just now starting out. There's one or two companies who have tapped into that already, and the main one is Abbey, as you can see that. And but their stance is they want to inspire the next generation. They want to give athletes the energy, and they want to push that on, which is different from our kind, which is fueling a business class and giving them the energy for a fast-paced life. And then also Starbucks or any other coffee shop, basically, because we are taking some of their ideals and some of their concepts and putting them into our water. And the price would be $3.99 per bottle. It is a small bottle, but it's bigger, so it kind of evens out. It's a 24-ounce water bottle, so it's a lot more water, and it's 90 milligrams of caffeine, which is equal to 1 cup of strong coffee. Most sodas and medicine, like aspirin, even they use the artificial created caffeine. We extracted ours from coffee beans, so it's natural. It doesn't add anything else. Our pricing is Starbucks prices their coffee anywhere between $175 to $425, whereas ours is $3.99. It's somewhere in the middle, but it does provide both, and it has and their calories are anywhere between 15 and 530 compared to the 0 calories of water. And it's a healthy alternative. There is people want to be healthy, but still at the same time have energy. So the 0 calories of the water helps them stay fit while at the same time giving them that energy. And the water bottle is made out of PET 1 or plastic, which is recyclable and safe.
So the process of getting this water from the spring to the market goes like this. So first, once we pump the water out of the spring near Breckenridge, we'll ship it back to Breckenridge. And then the next step in the process is to extract the caffeine from the coffee beans. We'll do that down in South America, then have the caffeine shipped back to Breckenridge, where we will mix the water from the spring and the caffeine from the beans into one, bottle it, package it, and then we will put it on a truck to where it's shipped to Denver. And then once it gets to Denver, we will ship it off to New York for the launch.
What's it taste like?
Well, we are having the coffee beans extracted in South America because they are familiar with the coffee bean, so their process there is ensured not to have the coffee flavor transferred over to our bottle.
It tastes like normal water.
Yeah.
you won't be able to taste the coffee beans at all. It'll just taste like water that you got from the well.
With a caffeine kick.
Yes.
Interesting. Is there any kind of recommendation on how many per day somebody should or should not drink?
We recommend the max 2 for a full-grown adult, and then for an 18-year-old to 22 college student, we only recommend 1. It also depends on what your body's like. If you can handle more energy, then maybe you want to drink 2. But for a smaller kid, maybe like 5'11", you should probably only stay with 1. That much energy can sometimes injure someone.
The other question that I had is, you guys mentioned earlier that you were going to sell at coffee shops, but then you also mentioned that you feel that coffee shops are your competition. Why would a coffee shop let you into their doors if you're going to take away from their product?
Well, I think coffee shops also, as well as other business world, see America's push towards health and healthy alternatives. So they'd want to have, rather than maybe try and compete with us, be a business partner in a way that they would carry some of our product.
Do you think strategically you'd be better off trying to find 1 or 2 key coffee retailers to help distribute that versus trying to knock down a whole bunch of mom and pop shop doors? Or
Yeah, we're thinking Starbucks and Coffee Bean is also another big distributor.
all right, thank you guys. Good job.